Hello, I'm Casey. I'm your fashion friend, your confidence cheerleader, your joy provider. I help inspire you with all things style, fashion, joy, and confidence. I post short, easy to digest advice videos to help you create a closet you love and get dressed with less stress. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel below so you don't miss out on anything. And let's get on with the show. How do I dress for my body type? So, number one, I hate to tell you, I can't fully pinpoint your body type right now and tell you exactly how to dress for every person's body type, because we'd probably be here all day, all night, and you lose I'd lose half the people because I wasn't talking about their body type and this and that. So what I'm gonna do is give you some tricks on how to find this for yourself. I do this on my one-on-one coaching calls. If you do one analysis and we do set goals for what you're trying to achieve, and we talk about your body type. And so I do that one-on-one if that's ever of interest to you. Like I said, I have a group coaching program coming up that will touch on this further as well. But I'm gonna do my best I can to get you in a good place and a good start on this journey to find how to dress for your body type. And then the thing is, this is the thing, I'll give you this. So if you do look, I don't like to give you, I could give you this printout of this PDF that says this is your body type and this is how you're supposed to dress. And there's plenty of that out there. You can search your body type, how to dress my body type, and you'll see these PDFs that are like, you're a pear-shaped body or you're a triangle-shaped body and this is how you're supposed to dress. And it's literally like a few bullet points of how you're supposed to dress. And why I don't like that is because it gives you these rules that all of a sudden, because if you haven't studied fashion a lot, or you're not willing to take chances with your style that much, which rightfully so, I understand that. But if I give you bullet points of you are only supposed to wear this and this and this for your body type, you are only going to stick to that. And that's what I don't like. I see the rules that say if you're an hourglass body, you wear this. If you wear da-da-da, you wear this. And then I go on Instagram because I love seeing all different shaped bodies dressing in fashion. And I see people breaking these rules all the time. Like everything that's listed, everything that's like textbook of what you're supposed to wear. I see this hourglass figure totally breaking the rules and not wearing the textbook whatever is, that is being told for them to wear. So that's why I'm so hesitant about giving you this list of things and these rules for your body type. So this is where we're gonna get at it. Okay. So the main thing I want you to know about how to dress for your body type is the fact that fashion is actually an illusion. When you are trying to dress for your body type, it's actually working with illusions. So generally people want a proportionate body type, which means wide shoulders, skinnier waist, maybe same with hips, hourglass kind of. You want a skinnier waist, you want your shoulders to be proportionate to your hips, and that's basically kind of the gist that people are going for. If you have a boyish shaped body, then you kind of want more shape, right? If you are super curvy, you're maybe wanting to like lessen that shape. If you are really big hips but really small shoulders, you're looking to maybe widen your shoulders. If you have really broad shoulders and like the rest of your body is not, you're looking to even out, make it look wider in your hips so your shoulders don't look as big. So that is what I'm talking about, that fashion is an illusion. And that's the case when you're trying to dress for your body type. Back to Pinterest, YouTube, and just the internet in general has a slew of information. So many bloggers, so many fashion people want to give you this information. So instead of me saying, what's your body type? Here are the rules. I'm going to switch it around and say, do a search. Think of the goal you want, and search that on Pinterest, Google, and YouTube. What I mean is this. What's my goal? So I'm a petite person. And so a lot of times if I'm petite, I'm smaller. A lot of things are like long on me, like a lot of things can look like they swallow me up. So what's my goal? My goal is I want to look taller, right? So then I Google outfits to help me look taller, or how to look taller, or outfits to look taller. Like, these are the search words, and you can switch it up if you're not getting exactly what you want. Switch up your search words. Slew of information that will come up that says, here are some tips on how to look taller. I even looked up today, and I was looking up broad shoulders. So I don't have broad shoulders, but I have worked with a client that has broad shoulders. And so you can look up how to dress with broad shoulders. And you will get tons of articles, tons of pictures about how to even out your broad shoulders with your hips. Generally, you don't want to wear more big stuff when you have broad shoulders up here. You want to wear more slimming things here, and then you want to wear maybe like an A-line skirt or something bigger on the bottom that creates more of a proportionate type body. Another thing is thinner. A lot of people want to look thinner. So you look up how to dress to look thinner, or how to look thinner, or outfits to look thinner. Use your keywords. And a ton of stuff will come up that will give you all the tips on that. So instead of saying, what is my body type? Because a lot of people don't even know their own body type, but you generally know your problems or the things that you want to fix. So go and search for keywords on how to dress to fix those things, or how to proportionalize your body for those things. Another one is like big hips. If you have big hips, you can search like how to dress with big hips. A lot of information will come up. So I know that doesn't help you. I say, okay, this is your body type and this is how you dress, but I don't even want you to look at those things. I want you to keyword search your problem areas, which I say, and see what comes up and see what you can get inspired on. Remember, last time I talked about that style and fashion are a study and a practice. You cannot get good at something unless you study and practice it. And this is another area of study. Study your body type. Study what things work. Study how the illusion of fashion can help you create the look that you want to achieve. So that is my tips on helping you search for your body type. People make it so difficult and be like, I guess I need to know what my body type is called so I can dress the right way. You don't. You just need to know, and you already have it in your head because you're probably telling it to yourself all the time, like, gosh, I wish I looked taller, or gosh, I wish that I had, my hips weren't so big. So you know your problem areas. So just search how to wear outfits accordingly. So that is that.